come and check out. I found a couple of larrikins. They, as long as I don't die in the meantime, they love a good hot minute with Mark. Come around here, we'll see if we can, sneak up here, don't die. Here we go. Let's see who's around the corner here. Oh, no. G'day, gents. My timing is impeccable as normal. Oh, look, I've never seen someone talk so fast on the microphone, Jace. Last year, you're up a ladder. Mate, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too, mate.
Yeah. You always got a smile on your face. Denchi, on the other hand. Do you want some help chasing those cables, mate? Need an integrator to help you? Jace, would you like to spend a hot minute with me?
Let's do it.
All right. You know the deal. You've done this before.
I have done this before.
All right. Let's press start. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, mate. You've got a minute, and we're away. As soon as I press go, you'll go. Why do people need to come and see you today?
They can come and see Spectera, the brand new wireless multi-channel audio system that we've released. It's really changing the game in the way wireless is deployed across events and commercial environments. Come and take a look at our solutions for business, solutions for education, everything from our Team Connect family, all our wireless products. So everything's on show and on display, as well as how we integrate it with our alliance partners as well.
Yeah, a big part of your play at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, very much so.
Partners. Play nice with others.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep. We're all in this together.
Mate, you've got 25 seconds
What
to
do
go.
I do with all this time?
Well, maybe we could just watch Denchi pull cables.
What? You can come and get some respite on the carpet. Everybody loves the carpet.
That happens. I've already had my feet up once today.
Yeah.
Mate, thanks for spending a hot minute with us, Jace. Where are people going to find you?
At Integrate.
Sennheiser stand.
Yeah.
We don't need to remember stand numbers, do we?
Exactly.
It's just like look up and see the Sennheiser number, set a stand, and you'll come and see us.
That's it.
Good on you, mate.
Good to see you, Mark.
You too, mate. See ya.
Cheers.
Let's go.
See you, Mark.